Okay, so it's Monday morning. Car is set all weekend. Just want to check voltage on the battery. 12.67 volts. Show you the readings from over the weekend. Friday, after the repair was made, it was 12.72. So you can see it has not dropped much. So I have not started the car this morning. I'm going to try to start it, and just wanted to show you the results, see what happens. Alright, clutch is in. Let's try it. Alright, so we have a successful test. I believe that the electrical issue is fixed on this one. I will wrap it up and get it back to you soon.